feel like it's been a while since I've really walked you through the nuts and bolts of the Pain Eraser and Rapid Recovery program. So I wanted to take a minute today and really explain the program and what you get as a part of the program. But before we dive into that, make sure that you've already subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell so that each week when we release our fresh new content, you are one of the first ones notified on your YouTube account. And let's dive in. The Pain Eraser and Rapid Recovery program was my brainchild after I studied mostly in Canada to learn the techniques in the realm of dynamic neuromodulation from some of the best minds in this little niche field of pain relief. And I went home to my practice here in Washington State back in 2012, and I started utilizing all these different techniques on my clients for pain relief. Got amazing results. So then I trained my medical assistant in how to use this device and how to deliver these treatments. And she was also able to get great results. And so the next thing I knew, we had several devices in our clinic, and we were going all day long, round robin, with 2 rooms going, treating people day in, day out for almost 5 years. And I watched some of the most amazing pain relief on the planet during those 5 years. I could help fibromyalgia go from 9 to 10 out of pain to 1 to 2 out of pain on a daily basis after a good 16 to 24 treatments, and do so much better that maybe they came in once every 3 to 6 months after that for maintenance. I watched acute injuries heal faster than anything I'd ever seen before in my life, and I watched things heal and repair that I honestly didn't even think were able to heal and repair. Certain types of nerve pains and post-surgical pains where I thought that person was just going to be in that state for forever, and we watched them get better. So that was when in 2017 I decided to sell my private practice and learn everything I could about the world of entrepreneurship so that I could create a program where people could own a device of this type and learn how to use it from the comfort of their homes. So the device that I chose to build the Pain Eraser program around is called the First TX, and the First TX is a prescription medical device. So if you're someone who decides that you want to work with us in the program, the first thing that we do is help you get the right paperwork to your doctor's office so that we can get a letter of medical necessity that says that yes, you have chronic pain and that it would behoove you to participate in a program of this type. So let's talk a little bit about the device, because with the program you get this device and all of the attachments that go with it. The device itself, the First TX, has 4 different modes. The first one that we talk about is MT mode. MT mode is the mode that allows you to actually take readings of impedance on the body. Impedance is a measure of how much resistance is there in the nervous system, or how long does it take to get that signal from the pain up to the brain and back down to the area of pain again. We want to treat the areas of highest impedance in the body and clear up the traffic or the gobbledygook that is stuck in the nervous system and is preventing the brain from easily communicating with the pain. So we're clearing up this channel of communication, and then we're utilizing these different modes based upon whether or not we have acute pain that needs real high frequencies or chronic pain that needs real low frequencies. Or is this a range of motion problem where we need to focus on the alignment and the strengthening and the range of motion of a specific joint? There's a mode for each of those. What's cool is, let's say that you want to take these readings on your back. Well, obviously you can't see the sensor on your back. We have the wand attachment. The wand attachment hooks right into the device, and it's able, let's say you want to take readings all the way down your spine. This is done on your skin, obviously, but you're able to take readings of impedance and figure out exactly where you need to treat yourself. You can also use it as an amazing, massage tool to really get into the fascia, get into that soft tissue, and get those releases and get the body, feeling better and back into more ideal alignment. We also have electrode lead pads and wires that we can hook up to the device so that you can put this on your low back and put the device in your pocket and go for a walk. You can put the pads anterior posterior on the shoulder and work your shoulder through the range of motion. We can put pads anterior posterior through the abdomen and work on abdominal pain. So there's so many different ways to utilize this technology that I had to create an entire video library that walks my clients through what they should do first, second, and then third as far as an optimal treatment goes to really get the best use out of this technology and out of their body and their ability to heal. I work one-on-one with my clients in this program where we meet on an hour-long individual Zoom chat to go through all of their different issues and health goals and supplements and labs. And based upon all of that, I will recommend that they start with this technique first, this technique second, and give them a treatment kind of recommendations that will allow them to get the best use out of the program when they first get started, so they're not overwhelmed by everything in the program. Because inside the Pain Eraser program, we do talk about some off-label uses of the device. We talk about how to treat the liver for detox. We talk about how to treat the gut and get peristalsis moving. We talk about how to treat the adrenals for fatigue. And there are so many fun, cool, amazing benefits of the program. I would say the number one thing that clients report across the board as a really happy side effect is improved sleep. Because when we put the body back into that parasympathetic state, the immune system functions better, we sleep better, and overall we're less anxious and less jittery. So if this sounds like something that you're wondering, how come I've never heard of this before and why don't I have this in my life yet? We would love for you to go into the description below this video and check out the link to our webinar that walks you through even more detail about the science, the technology, and then what you get as part of the Pain Eraser and Rapid Recovery program. I hope this is helpful to you in kind of making a decision on whether or not you even want to check out our webinar to see if this might be right for you. So if you're still in some pain and you'd like to see if this is right for you, you're welcome to check out our webinar, and that'll give you a chance to book a call with our team. And I've trained my team pretty thoroughly to know, what can we actually expect given a specific medical condition? What kind of results might you actually expect from our program? If you like this video, please be sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and if you're interested in seeing a quick little synopsis called Gary Runs Again and see what we mean by the kind of mind-blowing results that we get sometimes with the program, make sure you check out this fun little video next. And if you're interested in a deeper dive into the technology and maybe the approach on how we treat a bone-on-bone knee joint in the Pain Eraser program, be sure to check out this video next. And as always, we thank you so much for watching and we send you so much love. See you next time.